Hey everyone, I'm at Professor Wem's Mini Golf at West Edmonton Mall, and tonight I have with me Matthew from the YouTube channel Best Edmonton Mall. Matthew, thanks for coming tonight.
Hey, it's my pleasure. I can't wait to play.
So we're going to do a bit of a golf challenge. Now I feel like I might be at a bit of a disadvantage. How many times have you played this course?
Oh, I've lost count. I've probably played it, I'd say in the last year, I've been on it at least a dozen times.
Okay, I did one warm-up last night. Let's see what I can do.
All right.
All right, first hole. In the first hole, in the sand trap.
All right, I came ahead on the first hole, and then I missed 3 putts, and we tied, so I've got to make it up now.
No pressure.
No pressure.
We're not filming this. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's not bad at all.
Hole number 3. Let me show you how we do it in the pros. I really was hoping that would go in.
So we're playing Professor Wem's Mini Golf. There's also is it the Dragon Golf?
Dragon Tail Mini Golf, yes.
Dragon Tail Mini Golf?
Yeah.
What's your pick? Do you have a favorite of the two?
It's got to be Professor Wem's. I do like the Glow Golf. It's very cool. It's dark.
Yeah.
But every hole is flat.
Okay.
You know, there's a few. Some have a couple ramps, and you know, there's curves. But the rolling hills.
Well, this is a much more challenging course. This used to be the Pebble Beach Mini Golf, obviously, right?
Yeah.
Way back in the day. So I don't know. Do you know how similar the course layout is? Did they change the course layout and just retheme, or is it pretty similar?
The course layout's the same. The main difference is that they put up barriers over the water, the bridges that go over the water.
Oh,
so
okay.
that used to be wide open, and your ball would just go right in, but they put walls there. And after Pebble Beach, they actually changed it to Europa Boulevard for a while. Europa Golf, I should say.
Oh,
because
is that
it's
right?
directly below Europa Boulevard, which is right above us.
Oh.
And then after that, they changed it to Professor Wem's.
There's a bit of trivia. I didn't know that. Awesome.
Yeah. So it's actually had 3 names.
I sent you a picture. I dug up a picture of me playing the Pebble Beach Mini Golf back when I was a kid, and I'm going to show you guys. This is me as a kid playing Pebble Beach Mini Golf. And here we are.
4 years later?
4 years later,
yeah.
Awesome.
Hole in 1. It's closer though. Oh, every time.
This course is actually quite challenging. There's lots of hills, sand traps, and even water traps. Of course, Professor Wem brought all kinds of whimsical gadgets, as well as a lot of cacti too. So I was going to ask you, obviously I love your channel. You do a lot of pieces on the history of West Edmonton Mall. If you had one attraction from the past that you could bring back, what would it be?
It's a tight race. You know, my knee-jerk reaction is to say the submarines,
Yeah.
but in fact, it's the Raging Rapids Lazy River Slide at the World Water Park.
Awesome.
That was my favorite attraction as a kid. I could ride that thing for hours.
And you just did a video recently on that, so I'm going to post a link to that as well. If you want to see Best Edmonton Mall's favorite all-time West Edmonton Mall attraction, well, lost attraction, I'll say, then check out this video. It's a great history on the River Rapids.
Big hole in one will narrow the gap by a stroke. No, too far right. Oh, that's not going to do it. That's not going to do it. Oh.
It's got some roll. It's got some roll.
Oh.
Okay, so quick recap. Where are we at? We're at hole 13. And where are we sitting? What's the score? You've been keeping track.
We are, I don't have the final score. I know the spread.
Okay.
You are one stroke ahead.
One ahead.
Yes.
Can I hang on to this lead? Narrow lead?
There's no straight line to the hole on hole 13. He's going to try to ricochet it up this way? I don't know. Are you kidding me?
Nice.
I quit. This one's tough. There's a very slight straight shot to the hole, but it's almost impossible to do. You were ahead by 3. Now I've cut the lead to 1. I have 2 holes to catch up. Hole in 1 is what I'm saying. Nope. Maybe. Nope. Darn it. It's gonna come back now.
In the final hole, 18, score 1, score 2, score 3.
This is for all the marbles. We're tied. We're tied going into last hole. 1, 2. Last hole. Here we go.
Oh, that looked close.
That's a 3.
That was a 3?
That's a 3. It went off to the side. That's a 3. All he's got to do is not get it in the 3 and he wins.
Did that go?
He did it!
No!
He did it!
No way!
He did it!
Wow!
He wins!
Wow.
In spectacular fashion!
Oh, that was nail biting. And of course, all the balls get a trip through Professor Wem's magical ball washer. All right, Matthew, I want to thank you for coming out tonight and playing some mini golf. What's next for Best Edmonton Mall?
That's a good question. I have a few features coming up. One of an old amusement park that used to be outside of West Edmonton Mall. It's called the White Mud Drive Amusement Park. And then
awesome.
also we're going to talk about the bungee tower at some point in the future as well.
That sounds awesome. I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, thanks so much for having me out to play some golf tonight.
Well, thank you for joining up. Check out Best Edmonton Mall, one of my favorite channels. Remember to keep exploring, and until next time, it's time to... What?
Exit through the gift shop.